Namaste, namaskar, guys. How are you? How you doing? With the Buddha. I got this in Nepal back in 2024. I am here to pick up a person, so I do offer the services. Not this of parking where you shouldn't park. The truck is cool, but the driver is whatever. So if you're interested, like maybe that guy will give him a ticket. Good, he'll give him a ticket. They're supposed to control that. People with their shamrocks and shenanigans. Anyhow, it's October, so I do offer pickup service, but basically for the Rio Negro area, or to take you to El Retiro, it's going to be a little more expensive than taking a white taxi from here or an Uber, because I have to come all the way from the country house and I'm in the truck and all that stuff. So gotta, you know, burn a little more gas, plus the parking fee here and things of that nature. But down to Medellin, I have a restriction on Thursdays this year. Can't go down there in the truck. And also, I mean, I have to pay tolls, so it'll be more expensive through me. So I'll show you where you can get the white taxi if you're looking to save money. So if you want to save money, these taxis are the ones you can get. They're the official airport taxis. They're from a company, and they have a dispatch point further off over there, or you can take the bus down through two ways. This is through the tunnel down to Poblado, San Diego. If you want to save money, it's like 17,000 pesos right now in 2025. Over here they got Colombia, and the taxi rank is right behind this bus over there, and they'll give you the rates, official rates. And there's an ATM machine if you come out. They got these car rental things here. These are international arrivals, but I got to go to the domestic. So you got Enterprise, National, Alamo, and I got to get some money right over here. Hopefully it's working. So I hate it when it gives you these big ass bills, these 100,000 peso bills. Hard to break anywhere, but in the airport you could break them. So international arrivals are right there. You got the car rentals if you want to rent a car here, or the public transport outside. It's October on a Friday and it's busy, but I'm going to national arrivals over here. Gentlemen's authorized taxi people here, like they got that vest on. These are the guys that do that with the vest. And it's 118,000 pesos to Medellin from the airport here, or 130 to Envigado, or 140 to Sabaneta. And if you're going to El Retiro, it's 100,000 pesos, or to Rio Negro it's 50,000 pesos. So you have the prices. There you go. I got it from this gentleman right here. Very nice person. And we even laughed. We told the joke because he said, "We take you anywhere." And I said, "Hasta la Conchinchina." That means like all the way to the Great Wall of China, or whatever, like a joke like that. And he's laughing like, yeah. Remember, these are 2025 prices that I'm quoting. It's October now, so 2026 they're gonna be different. Well, the guy said he was coming in through Bogota. Oh yeah, gotcha. So I'm here in Llano Grande now, part of Rio Negro, near the airport. So let me explain what I was doing at the airport. I was telling you guys, just to summarize it here, that I can pick you up because a few people have inquired about if I do pick up service at the airport. I say yeah, I do. So I can do that. I did it today. I already dropped off the person in El Retiro. Now the taxis from the airport to El Retiro charge 100,000 pesos. Those white with the blue stripe taxis that I showed you in this video. And I'll charge like 110 to El Retiro or to Rio Negro, only because I'm coming all the way from Guarne, from the far side of Guarne here, and not to the side of Guarne that's close to the airport, but the far side, the other side. And I'm in the truck, so it's burning more gas and all of that, because I gotta travel a good 20 kilometers to get to the airport from where I live. And that's a gallon of gas, and I use extra gasoline, you know, super unleaded, and that's $5 on that. So I charge more, but you can catch a taxi from the airport to Rio Negro, to the town of Rio Negro, to the main part, for 50,000 pesos. But if you want the convenience of that, you know me already because of the videos, and you like my personality and whatnot, you know, that's what it is. And if you want me to take you to Medellin, that's going to be even more expensive, because I got to pay tolls going to Medellin. That's 25,000 pesos going down, and 25,000 pesos coming up through the tunnel, plus the gasoline going down that way. That's another 2.5 gallons going and coming back. It would be more expensive. I would charge, I mean, they're charging 118,000 pesos just to the San Diego area or to Laureles, that part of Medellin. But if you go to Envigado, that's 130,000 pesos with them. But me, I got to come back up this way because they also have a taxi rank or a taxi stand down there by San Diego, those white blue taxis, white with blue stripes, and they always have a fare coming back. So with that, it wouldn't be so economical, so cheap for you to hire me to take you to Medellin. It would be cheaper for you just to get to one of those white with blue striped taxis. You don't know the person, they don't speak any English, maybe some do, some don't, but if you want to save money, that's the way to go. This is Llano Grande, Jardines Llano Grande, that's the mall over there, the little one. This is the other shopping plaza here where Carulla is, and I'm about to come in here and do some food shopping. The truck is over there, and that's it. Until next time, if you have any questions, remember toroedwin@yahoo.com for a video consult, 1 hour consult for a fee, or we have to do that if you're going to hire me for a walking tour or a relocation tour. I'm going to go because the music is going to kill me. Bye. If the music wasn't going to kill me, all these goodies will. Oh, look at all these cakes. I'm like a fat boy that loves cake, but I'm not fat. Look at this red velvet, or something that looks like a red velvet, or a vanilla and arequipe mono cake for 24,000 pesos. That's about $6. And I love coming to this Carulla. I've been coming here since I used to live here in Llano Grande, and sometimes I used to have lunch right over here. And they got a lot of stuff. They import goodies, healthy stuff. I'm looking for some veggie. They got the nice oils here. I gotta look for the corn oil. Honey mustard. Ooh, I love this. Not this brand, I've never had it, but I love honey mustard. So this is a little extra. These healthy cookies, mini chocolate chip cookies. I'm looking for the veg thing, the veggie thing. I don't know where it is. Some of the imports. Herb members selection. That's I think from Costco or something, or Sam's. Barilla, famous pasta brand. Anyhow, oh, some of the pasta sauces. These imports, ragu, like $6 for a ragu thing. I think in the States they go for $1.50 at a Dollar Tree shop or something. Cheeses. Somebody's calling me. Oh well, couldn't answer. Anyhow. And cuts and whatever, pastrami. I don't need none of that because I'm a vegetarian. This is the organic part. They had the veggie stuff here, veggie burgers, veggie dogs. I like this brand. I was looking for this the other day at the other place, but they didn't have it. There's a veggie ham, made of vegetables, ham, for my sandwiches when I'm working a lot and on the run. And they got some other stuff here. There you go. All right, so remember, if you need my services, toroedwin@yahoo.com or Instagram, Traveling Eddie with a numerical figure of 1 on Instagram. That's how you contact me, and I cannot give you any walking tours or any guided tours or relocation tours if I don't see you on the screen first, like we do a video conference call and stuff like that. I mean, if you're gonna hire me for that, we can always do like a 20-minute call just so I could get to know you before that, because I don't like surprises. I stay away from surprises. If you can't do that, then there's no dice. The dice don't roll. Now I gotta go. Take care. Namaste. Have a happy-go-lucky day. And I gotta get some of this and some of it. And they got tofu too. Ooh, yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Just a little bit of the other mall here. I bought my mountain bike here this past March, and I haven't ridden in 6 weeks, and I'm happy that I'm gonna be back on the bike. I bought a Trek, this place. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket here. And this is all upscale if you're into that and if you got the money for it. And there's a Dollar City, like a Dollar Tree on the 2nd floor, and I gotta go up there and get some doggy treats. Thank you, Bernie Cubillos, for that. Super thanks. Oh, look at me coming to the mirror. Wow. And I'm gonna get the doggy treats, Bernie, finally. It's October 3rd, just so you know. Take care. Until next time. Oh, Bernie, I came here to Dollar City here in Colombia, and I'm getting some of these doggy treats, the crunchy cookies and the brownies. They're brownies for dogs, no chocolate, no real chocolate. Then they got the fruit punch. So I'm gonna get a couple of these bags, these treats for the kids so they enjoy it. Thank you once again to you and your lovely partner, your wife. Namaste. It's a beautiful day here. So Bernie, I got the 3 doggy treats for them. These are the treats are for me, but not with your money. So I say more goodbyes than I don't know what the heck. Finally, goodbye. I'm gonna go get in the truck and go home. Oh, Bernie, no, I still have money left over for more. That was just some. I just had my hands full and I didn't want a bag. And they'll get more treats. Thank you again. Wow. Eddie, when will you just say bye for good in terms of this video?